Hello students, today we are going to learn some short questions. The question is, state any two techniques of self-regulation. It is the chapter 2, self and personality. Okay. The answer is, self-regulation refers to our ability to organize and monitor our own behavior. Okay, self-regulation refers to our ability to organize and monitor our own behavior. Techniques of self-regulation are as follows. First, observation of own behavior. This provides us with necessary information that may be used to change, modify, or strengthen certain aspects of self. Next, self-instruction. We often instruct ourselves to do something and behave the way we want to. Such instructions are quite effective in self-regulation. Okay. The next question is, state the characteristics of stress resistance personality. This is from chapter 3, meeting life challenges. The answer is, as per studies by Kobasha, it is shown that people with high level of stress and low level illness share three characteristics which are called personality traits of hardness. The three characteristics, that is the 3 C's, are commitment, control and challenge. What they are? Commitment, control and challenge. Hardiness is a set of beliefs about oneself, the world and how they interact. Commitment, it takes shape as a sense of what you are doing. For example, a sense of control over your life and a feeling of challenge. Control on purpose and direction in life. Example, commitment to work, family, hobbies and social life. Challenge, they see change in life as normal and positive rather than as a threat. Okay. The next question is, what do you understand by type C personality? The answer is, Morris has suggested a type C personality which is prone to cancer. Next, individuals characterized by this personality are cooperative, unassertive and patient. They suppress their negative emotion. That is, example, anger, and shows compliance to authority. Okay. The next question is, describe any two factors from the 5-factor model of personality. The answer is, openness to experiences. Those who score high on this factor are imaginative, curious, open to new ideas, and interested in cultural pursuits. In contrast, those who score low are rigid. Extraversion. It characterizes people who are socially active, assertive, outgoing, talkative, and fun-loving. On its opposite are people who are shy. Okay? The next question is, how are IQ scores distributed in a population? How are IQ scores distributed in a population? The answer is William Stern, a German psychologist, devised the concept of intelligence quotient. When MA is equal to CA, then IQ is 100. If MA more than CA, then IQ is more than 100. If MA less than CA, then IQ less than 100. That means people with an IQ score in the range of 90 to 110 have normal intelligence. People with an IQ below 70 are suspected to have mental retardation. People with an IQ above 130 are considered to have exceptional talents. The following table shows the classification based on IQ range and the percent of population falling in the intelligence range. First, there are three columns. First column we see IQ range, second descriptive level, third percent in the population. First in IQ range, first above 130, their descriptive level is very superior and percent in the population is 2.2%. Then we see 120 to 130, their descriptive level is superior and percent in the population is 6.7%. Then we see 110 to 119, the descriptive level is high average and percent in the population is 16.1%. 90 to 109 is average and the percent in the population is 50%. 80 to 89 descriptive level is low average. Percent in the population is 16.1%. 70 to 79 is borderline. The percent in the population is 6.7%. Below 70, descriptive level is mentally challenged or retarded. The percent in the population is 2.2%. Okay, students? That's all. Thank you.